Okay, I'm co-teaching a Getting to Know Your Sewing Machine class today, and one of the tools that we need to help clean our sewing machines is a little lint brush. But instead of wasting money on a new tool, you might be able to make your own with things you already have around your house. Let me show you how. So all you need are some pipe cleaners and a tube of some kind. These are actually compostable straws that I was given, so I would recommend something like this. You can actually get about 3 different pieces. So you have a piece about 4 inches long, and then you're just gonna pull off some of the chenille from both ends just to make it a little bit easier to get started. So we have just about a 1/2 inch on both sides where the chenille has been removed. Then you're just gonna fold it in half, and then you're gonna twist those 2 little metal pieces together. I will say it's a lot easier to use needle nose pliers. I have found it keeps them even and also prevents any sort of pain in your fingers. So you're gonna take your little straw right here, place the metal piece in there, and then you're going to push and turn at the same time. Do it slowly, you don't wanna crack the little tube there, but you're gonna push it down until you have just a little bit of a loop here at the top and it's stuck right in there. And that, my friends, is how easy it is to make your own lint brush with things you have around the house.